Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to another best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have the opportunity from the Climate Initiative, and this is a Louisiana policy intern. It pays $20 an hour. The flexible remote work for candidates within Louisiana are currently enrolled in an undergrad program located in Louisiana. Full-time, 40 hours per week, 8 weeks ideally from mid-June to mid-August with some flexibility. This company also has policy interns in other places such as Florida, among other places. So if you want to check those out, I'll definitely put the link right below in the description so you can check it out. But today we're focusing on this Louisiana policy intern. It is full-time, 40 hours per week, 8 weeks, ideally from mid-June to mid-August with some flexibility, and you'll be an intern. The Climate Initiative is a scientifically based education or organization aimed to help solve the climate crisis. The uniqueness of TCI's approach is its focus on educating and empowering youth. We believe that the generation most at risk, the youth, will shift politics, stimulate solutions, and ultimately be agents of change. We also believe that it's important to educate about climate change in a nonpartisan way. Our vision is to create a cohesive voice at the grassroots level to push for climate-friendly policy and action in the time of crisis. As the IPCC notes, impacts of climate change are likely to be felt most acutely not only by the poor but also by certain segments of the population such as the elderly, the very young, the powerless indigenous people, and recent immigrants, particularly if they are linguistically isolated. TCIs value diversity, equity, inclusion, and belonging, and we're greatly valued our workforce reflecting the communities we're activating. So they're seeking people who are passionate about climate action with experience in conducting policy research and synthesizing information. This role is focused on researching and writing the Louisiana Policy Toolkit, which outlines relevant climate policy in the state of Louisiana, as well as ways for youth to engage in policy within their own community. The ideal candidate for this position is highly collaborative, has strong experience gathering, tracking, and synthesizing research. She, he, they, is, are also comfortable being in a new organization. She, he, they, is, are also an effective communicator both in written and verbal forms. Some responsibilities will be research and draft the TCI Louisiana Policy Toolkit, a resource guide for youth of climate policies and issues in Louisiana, identify key stakeholders to partner with for the production of the Louisiana Policy Toolkit, as well as dissemination to maximize the toolkit's reach and impact, working with the appropriate regional coordinator and other program staff and interns as necessary, compile research on scientific data, elected leaders, and news articles in Louisiana to be included in toolkits that help youth advocate for climate policies. When appropriate, supplement the policy manager's efforts to create policy briefs on climate legislation, potentially including federal, state, territorial, local, and international policies. Complete policy proposals where the intern will research and draft a piece of legislation for the community, as well as create a presentation on the policy. Success metrics for this role will be successful completion of the TCI Louisiana Policy Toolkit, create of a landscape analysis of stakeholders for feedback and dissemination of toolkits with at least 2 stakeholder partnerships established, completion of a policy proposal and draft legislation, deeper understanding of climate issues and opportunities facing the state of Louisiana, education and experience, currently enrolled as a college student, desired qualifications and skills, ability to condense large amounts of data and research into key takeaways, passion for solving the climate crisis, effective, clear, and concise communicator, strong writing skills, highly collaborative, flexible team player working across departments, desire to be part of an entrepreneurial team and flexible attitude, self-driven and motivated. Physical requirements: for long periods of sitting at a desk and working at a computer, or must be able to lift up to 50 pounds as needed. This job is full-time. It is remote, $20 an hour. 8-hour shift, education, associate is preferred. But if you feel like you're the perfect qualifying person for this particular job, I'll put the link right below so you can apply right away. And if not, just subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, because we're going to have 5 to 7 job leads every single day so you find the best remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.